Bo, can you say Sally?
Hurricane Sally! You best know that Hurricane
Kennedy.
Sally.
Aw, nuts.
First hurricane together as a family.
Sally.
Hurricane Sally.
She's gonna get the nuts.
What?
The nuts.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get video here.
Pause it.
We're not New York, Philadelphia, Boston. Oh, there we are. We are right here. We're falling in love with the rain. What do we do for hurricane prep, babe? What are we doing for hurricane prep?
What do we do for hurricane?
We catch up on laundry.
Oh. I didn't know where you were going with that.
I literally said, what are we doing?
Man, this hurricane, it's bad. We're struggling. We're struggling so hard. We got bacon wrapped jalapenos with boudin, hamburgers. We're barely surviving, ain't we, babe?
And there's a bun in the oven.
Whoa, bun in the oven. Yeah.
But whose bun is it?
Hey, wait a minute.
Surprise!
Hurricane Sally. Hurricane Sally. That's a mini. Hey, Boudreaux. What's up, man? Oh, mini corn dogs.
Bo, Caleb,
What you got to say there, Rubes?
get off.
How you like this hurricane? This hurricane ain't bad with power, is it? Let's go out yonder. Ooh. It really hasn't been that bad. I can't believe we still have power. That's the first hurricane I've been without power. With power. Kind of weird. But I'm digging it. It's the way to do hurricanes is with power. But you can see on that house right there a little bit of that wind and rain coming off. It's been probably like 20 to 30 mile an hour gusts. Not too bad, but it has been a lot of rain. But that's okay. I don't know about where you're at, but down here it ain't rained in like a month. So the ground is being nutritified. I don't know. It's being filled with water, y'all. So it's good stuff. Poor old table. Had to clear out everything but the table. Alright. What's wrong?
What happened?
Boudreaux, step on your foot. Boudreaux.
Boudreaux.
There you go.
We have that portable that y'all got over here, or
Been 3 minutes.
Yeah, no, I just checked on them.
Well, you know, it's been 3 minutes.
I know, I just checked on them.
What you think, Kennedy?
Okay.
Hurricane Sally, first hurricane.
Four.
Goldfish. It's 10 o'clock at night. Kids are in bed, so I can't be so loud. But so far, still got power. It's been a great hurricane. Had Alec and them over playing a little bit of games, but so far, it's not been good for a lot of folks. We've been pretty fortunate, but the lights have been flickering here, so Ian said that they still got power. Bryson and Dad said their power went out for a little bit and then came back on. But we're definitely going to get some flooding, that's for sure. But this is an Innerarity.
And you can see the pier underwater. Another common sight.
Flood. And the eye apparently is coming towards Pensacola. What can you do? It's a good time to pray. You know what I mean? Anyway, we'll check in with you later. If the power goes out, we'll check in and let you know. I think they said it's supposed to hit, that eye is supposed to hit like tomorrow morning-ish. So, we'll see you then. 2 o'clock in the morning. 1 hour from actually reaching landfall. It's pretty... We still got power, unbelievably. Mom is without power. Ian is without power. I think my dad's without power. I don't know how we still got it. I don't know. I'm pretty thankful. Thank you, Lord. But it's just some heavy, heavy wind gusts and a boatload of rain. No flooding yet. We needed a lot of rain, so. Oh man. Getting flashbacks from Ivan though. I'll tell you that much right now. Let's see. 2:06. I ain't slept a wink, man. You just hear the wind howling. One baby right there, you can't hardly see. The other baby's right here in the closet. I know. Bo's pretty angry. He doesn't want to be in the closet. Hey, can't beat it, man. iPad and cookies. That's great. I would totally be in the closet. We're surviving. All right. We'll check back in later.
From our storm, as we head into Thursday.
2 o'clock.
It's been such a slow mover. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. I'm going to switch out this map and go to kind of the bigger picture of it all. This shows you the bigger picture. So, as the
I was
system,
gonna say we are about here.
Kind of meanders on up, into these areas, it's going to kind of roll on up into this direction. Head on up into, Georgia and shift on up in that area. It's going to be drawing up all of what's out over the Gulf, all of this junk here.
3:30 in the morning. Still hurricaning. It's getting pretty serious. I mean, they upgraded it to Category 2. Somehow it gained strength. It's still moving super slow, so we have 100 mile an hour, 105 mile an hour winds just sitting on top of us, rotating, dumping rain. Got a 4 to 7 foot storm surge, 20 plus inches of rain. There's already reports of homes being flooded in Fort Walton, but so far so good here. Not flooding, windy, but nothing's cracked, broke, or popped. We still have power. That's God right there, brother. That's God's grace. I've been watching the news the whole time, so this is crazy. And it was a little scary. Definitely some flashbacks of Ivan, but this little dude ain't got a care in the world. So did you know there's a hurricane going on? Did you know there's a hurricane going on? Huh? 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 Don't even care. Alright. We're surviving. It's pretty windy out here. Still not really flooding though. I don't know if you can see out here or not. Heard something go boom. I don't see anything, so that's good. Gate's still there. We're doing good. Just a little windy. Woo! Yeah, I'm going back inside now. Bye. I don't know if you can hear that whipping pretty good. Spooky. I don't know if there's just like a guardian angel holding the power lines together for our house. We still have power. But these winds sound just like Ivan did, I'm telling you. Our windows ain't bowing in and out like they did during Ivan, but that's because we got brand new windows, so I think they're made for situations like this, but sure wouldn't want to be alone in this. Got my little sugar bear. Sleeping like a baby. I got like 30 minutes. That'll do. Woo! Got some gusts coming. Oh. Still don't think it's as bad as Ivan was, but it's pretty close. No flooding yet. We still got a gate. Looks like, anyway. It's now 6 something. 6. We're in it, buddy. We are in the worst part. This is not even like a good blow, a good one yet. This is like, we're chilling right now. Oh man. Yeah. We in it, bro. Sally is showing her ugly face. Flooding going on. Still got power though. Praise the Lord. Starting to flood over here. Sally in full force. Looks like tornado weather. 7:45. And we're still fighting her. That's where she is. I can't show you. We are right there. Maybe a little down here.
You showed me a while ago all the systems that are out there. This is here.
Literally the worst part of the storm.
What's going on?
Wonderful.
I mean, with all
Big picture macro wire this year.
Yeah, it's moving slowly but surely. It got stronger when it hit shore, and then it slowed down. Like, it got stronger, but it stopped moving. 11 o'clock. Still haven't slept. Stopped raining. Power's going on and off. But man, is there wind. That wind. I'm talking powerful gusts, dude. That tree, I don't know if you can see it. Right there. Whoop, whoop, there it is, broken in half. I think it was already dead, but it used to go all the way up here and it broke. Yeah, trees don't normally lean that way. Another trash cans got knocked over. Yeah, we got some powerful wind gusts coming through. Power just went out again. Back on. Out. It's like a game of stop and go. Some powerful wind gusts. But so far so good. Back on. We pretty much have everything off in the house. This is one of the crazier hurricanes I've ever been through. Thought Ivan was... This may be worse than Ivan, man. I don't know. Just the sheer ferocity of this thing. Not sure the camera even does it justice, man. Check my yard for... Hey, how y'all doing? You surviving? Alright. Neighbors, I really want to videotape the neighbors. So that's where we're at. Almost noon, and still got high wind gusts just blowing trees around like toothpicks, man. No tornadoes, thankfully, yet. see how fast the sky is moving. So far, so good. Wow. Zoom out and get a little wider. Looking like a hot mess.
Hot Mess Express.
What time is it?
It is a hair past freckle because nobody cares.
11:43. And I guess we're coming on the backside of the eye, and man, there's some pretty big gusts going on. Show y'all. Oh, Bowman's up. Sissy's sleeping. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello, YouTube land.
Say hey, YouTube.
I had you.
We're surviving the hurricane so far. Take y'all out here. It's kind of scary. Ooh. So this fence is literally, when a gust comes by, it's and kind of scary. Whoa, blew my shirt up. I don't know, I didn't really do anything on that one, but we're getting gusts coming straight back, and man, whoa, yeah. You can hear this thing creaking, man. It's really freaking me out. I'm gonna lose my top of my porch there. It's not fun. Hey, sometimes you gotta pay to live in paradise, right? I guess. Man, clouds are just. Heard one tree break earlier. I was out front. It sounded like a shotgun blast went off. I don't know if you guys can even hear the. Wow. Wow. Get the fence going on video. That would be kind of cool. I mean, I'd rather it not go, but if it did, we'll get it on video, right? It's literally brand new. Like, probably not even 6 months old. Something like that. Wowzers. I don't know if you can see all this on the video, but we're getting some circling going on. Wow. Coming from here, circling around, and then coming this way. We survived.
Mwah.
We survived.
We're here.
We survived. It's
Say
over.
thumbs up.
It's over. Now we're to have no power. We're trying to figure out how to cook stuff. Oh, we don't need to figure it out. We got it figured. Oh, yeah. Break out the old camping gear. Huh? Look at that fried chicken, boy. I wish there was smell-o-vision. Oh, yeah. Frying up some chicken. Gonna boil some noodles on this same, well, not that pot. That and that right there. Boil some water, put some noodles in it, got your strainer. Whoo, doggy. You know, sometimes you gotta go back to the basics. To the Bayou Classic. Hope everybody's doing alright. We survived. There's no damage. And the fence was shaking, but it never did let loose, so testament to the builder, Titus Glenn and Keith Brown. Yeah, that guy. He's a good guy. Anyway, so I'm gonna cook up some egg rolls. What? Egg rolls? Yeah. We're getting weird. That's alright. Fried chicken, noodles, steamed broccoli, and egg rolls.
Deuces.
We made it. This is the end of the hurricane video. This is how long we'll be cooking like this. Hopefully just a day or two, but I don't know.
Maybe we should get a generator.
You're so funny. We got power!
We got power! Do you see those little red circles wrap? Not down. There.
Huh, okay. I thought you were talking about that red circle.
No.
Where did it go? There it is. That one. Anyway, we're pretty happy because that was sucking with no power. It really down. Yeah, it was terrible. We're buying a generator. Peace.
Happy birthday, Christmas, New Year's.
Happy Hurricane Day.
That's how we're gonna pay for the generator. He's gonna combine all of those
yeah,
events.
yeah. If you guys want to feel free, just gift
Do a
us one.
GoFundMe.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Woo! There. Look at this.
Whoa!
Yippee.
She forgot how to cook all of a sudden. We ain't had power for 6 hours and she forgot how to cook. I wonder how long we were actually without power.
From like 10.
10.
I don't think it's actually 4.
What time is it?
Almost 5.
5. So if my math is correct, that's like 3.5 hours. Which is not correct. So. Anyway, y'all have a blessed day.